show you how you can add different styles of buttons to your web page to send people off to an event, to Campus Connection, or to another section of your website. These buttons will help make your links look a little bit more dominant over your text links, and then we'll review the proper way to add text links to your website and where you can find that on our documentation website. So on the page that you're editing, we'll go and hit edit, and we'll add a text area. And I'm just going to write button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4, button 5, and button 6. Go and fix a few typos. All right, so first thing we want to do is actually make this a link. So by highlighting the text, clicking our link icon, we can add our URL in here. If the page is in Drupal, start typing the page title, and then it should give you the full title. So that's how we would link to a Drupal page. If you wanted to go off to another page, CNN or ESPN, just as a brief example, you can simply copy the URL and paste it in here, or type it out yourself. So I'm going to use what we refer to as a anchor link. This just keeps you on the page just for training purposes. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. All right, let's do the same thing for the rest of these. We'll make them all active links. And last one. All right, now to turn these into a button, we're going to just put our cursor on the button or highlight the entire button. Over in our paragraph dropdown, you can see listed at the top here, we've got a black primary button. Here we've got a red primary button. So those are the most used ones. Again, if we scroll up a little bit, we've got a gray outlined button. And then we've got a red outline button. And these are what we call call to action buttons, so a CTA red button. They have a little bit different styling that you don't see here, but you'll see when we save the page and go and preview it. And there's a call to action gray. So those are the 6 buttons that we've added. That's how you would add that underneath the paragraph. Again, if you want to link off to an event, link off to a application, to a SharePoint document. If it's an important link that you want people to see, this is a great way to style it that way. So we go down here and we're going to hit save. And here we've got our 6 buttons. So these are those call to action buttons. They're just styled a little bit differently. You might have seen them in our left-hand column. We use them for apply now and visit to Oneana. So for more on information about linking, if you go to your basic page overview in Drupal and go down to linking in Drupal, you'll see we've got the video for creating buttons here. We have button examples, and then proper ways to add text links to your website. So we strongly recommend that you review this. This will help improve our site's performance and accessibility for those that use screen readers. Again, if you need any help, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks.